Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon,
Good
everyone.
afternoon, sir.
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, so let's doubt clearing session. So tell me your doubts. We'll clear everything.
सर फाइल सेंड किया आपको मैंने.
हाँ, तो वो डाउनलोड हो रहा है अभी बस. Give me 2 3 minutes.
सर
हम्म.
सर जो ZBrush से फाइल जो मैं एक्सपोर्ट किया है वो एग्जैक्ट लाइक स्नैप हो रहा है कि नहीं, इसमें मुझे थोड़ा डाउट है. और जो फाइल और जो ZBrush में अपन विंग्स वगैरह बनाए हैं उनका
हाँ.
कैसे करना है माया में.
माया में कुछ नहीं करना उसका.
ओ,
वो तो बेक हो जाएगा ना. अगर वॉल्यूम बहुत ज्यादा है देन उसका मॉडल बनाना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज वो डायरेक्टली बेक हो जाएगा.
Sir,
यस.
can you explain we are going to after doing ZBrush detailing, we are going to export the model to Maya for checking. After that, which process we need to do step by step.
yes sir.
I showed that entire thing, na, like explode the model and bake it.
Yeah. I'm not saying explain the all each and everything. I'm saying after that we need to export. After that, we are going to check the model. In short, which process we need to do after that process.
Okay, okay, just give me a second. So
After exporting, we are just going to check the model.
after that, import bake and texture.
सर
Like, no, I'm not able to understand like what exactly you imported your high poly this thing decimated model in Maya and checked its matching, right?
Yes, sir.
yes.
Then after that you bake it.
Okay, unwrapping and bake it.
Of course, like without unwrap there is no bake, right? After that you have to unwrap it.
Yes, yes, I know that.
Huh. So unwrap
Sir,
it.
also Balaji was asking for a video. I
Yes,
think
I'll upload it. I'll upload it.
Yes, sir.
सर सर माया की भी है 2 फाइल है.
माया की 2 फाइल है नहीं, इसमें एक ही फाइल है.
मीन्स माया एंड ZBrush दोनों.
तो ये इस फोल्डर में बस एक सेकंड, तुमने अगर सेपरेट सेपरेट
सर
फोल्डर.
हाँ yes.
एक सेकंड. ओके, मेरे को जो दिख रहा है यहाँ पे ओके, माया जी ब्रश. आई गेस मैंने पुराना फाइल ओपन कर लिया क्या?
सर मुझे भी यही लग रहा है, मैंने आप भी सेंड किया था तो.
नहीं, अभी मैंने डाउनलोड किया. इसमें
सर यही है.
यही है, तो इसका ओपन किया तो इसके
नो
अंदर
सर ये तो
इसके अंदर
5
एक ही
तारीख
फाइल.
का है.
इसमें एक ही फाइल दिखा रहा है, ये भी 5 तारीख का दिखा रहा है.
नो सर सेंड कर दिया, शायद आया नहीं है.
एक सेकंड, दोबारा ट्राई करके देखता हूँ.
सर क्योंकि लास्ट टाइम भी थोड़ा लेट आया था.
नहीं, ये मेल मेरे को अभी आया है, अभी जस्ट मेल आया है. मैंने तो इसको डाउनलोड किया. एक सेकंड, आई री डाउनलोड इट.
चेक कर.
नहीं, वही तुमने वही सेंड किया, HSM वाला 1.5 GB HSM3 ZBrush स्टार.
सर मैं भी एक बार चेक कर लेता
वो
हूँ.
चेक करो. आई गेस तुमने पुराना फाइल ही भेज दिया है.
Yes.
Okay, so in the meanwhile I'll open the file and show. low. Okay. So you import your high poly from ZBrush decimated model, like decimated model, right? So this is my for baking. This decimated model, I'm going to use it for 1 second. Let me see if the recording is on or off. Yeah, it's on. So I have imported my high poly model for checking my volume and my low poly. So I can see everything is matching. All the volume, shape, everything is matching. Now, what I'll do is, now I'll prepare my file for baking. So this is my low poly. I select that and then I'll unwrap everything. Checker wise, check everything, match everything, and bake like and unwrap the entire model properly. Pack it nicely as much as possible. Pack it nicely. Use all the area and try to fit.
So
Yes.
for unwrapping, we are going to use the like model without any loops and with the smoothing like smoothing effect.
Yes, like the model we initially, okay, I feel, I guess there is a confusion. Initially, we created a
Yes, sir.
blocking, right? We named it as blocking. That was blocking
Yes, sir.
for base for our high poly and low poly, as well as it's a blocking for low poly and high poly for both the things. For high poly, we converted that thing into high poly, completed everything, right? So and then decimated
Yes,
and
sir.
imported back to Maya. So so that high poly story is finished now. Now we'll go back to our blocking model again and remove all the supporting loops, because low poly model is without any supporting loops. You can have bevel in a model, like wherever like here I beveled it, right? So I kept this bevel.
Yes, sir.
This bevel is fine. You can keep bevel if you have bevel in a model, you can keep the bevel, that's okay, absolutely fine. But if you have supporting loops for, like, suppose this surface, if I have a supporting loop here and here, so I have to remove that, because it's not serving any purpose. There is no volume change. It's just a loop to hold this shape. If I press 3, if I subdivide my
Yes.
model just to support that, that's why I added those supporting loops. Now low poly is without any unwanted loops, edge, poly, vertex, anything. Like low poly is a completely clean file without anything extra. No open edges, no n-gons, no this thing, some unwanted face, unwanted loops, or vertex, floating vertex, or anything. So it's a complete clean file. So without anything, it's just a model. Like this is going to be my final low poly model. This is my actual game model. So this model I'm going to use in my game, but this model won't have any kind of any extra unwanted loops or edges or anything. Like however it looks, this is going to be final model. No smoothing, nothing. No press 3, 2, 1, nothing. Just it should be in one version, one, without any smoothing visibility. That's clear, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So like suppose I import my high poly, low poly, like as yesterday we discussed, like suppose there was a volume change. So I added a volume and it was really faceted and angular. So what I did, I smoothed that model to make it more rounded and circular and make sure it snapped with the high poly. See? So my high poly, low poly, almost everything, like slight 5-10% difference is fine. That is something we can manage in baking, while baking. But make sure everything should match. Like almost everything. Like you can see my nut bolts are slightly extra, but it baked, right? So literally slightly extra, those things are fine until unless, suppose if you want to add those model in low poly, you can create that. If you don't want, don't create that. Right?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. So then after that, what you do is split high poly, split low poly, and I open my bake model, that blocking bake DVA bake model. Now, because this is a complicated model, a lot of parts are overlapping. Then I explode the model. Like first, import your high poly in your low poly model, cross check everything is matching. It matched, done. After that, you like UV the entire model, pack it, done, right? So packet and packet, that is that file is going to be your final low poly model, and the high poly exported from ZBrush, the decimated version, is your final high poly model for baking, right? Like, is it clear or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, if it's not clear, I explain it again. That's fine. That's completely fine.
सर
हाँ,
सर बट
मिल गया मेरे को। हाँ, बताओ।
सर एक बार
हाँ,
सर मैंने सेंड किया
हाँ, मिल गया मेरे को।
सर इफ मैच नहीं हो रहा है तो उसको कैसे सर मैच अगर नहीं होगा हाई
हाँ,
पॉली लो पॉली तो कैसे फिक्स करना है
मैच करना है उसको, मॉडल को एडिट करना है। Okay, suppose, okay, I'll
सर लाइक
just, okay, well, no problem, I'll explain this. थोड़ा सा confusion है, कोई बात नहीं. Suppose I have a cube. I have a cube here, and मैं इसको थोड़ा सा bevel कर देता हूँ. So मेरा my high poly looks like this, or maybe suppose this is my low poly model, and this is my low poly model, just a box. Okay, there's no detail, nothing. Now my high poly, what I'll do, I'll duplicate this model. Oh, sorry, control D and hide this one. And my high poly is this one. Suppose that one plus this one. Suppose this is my high poly. Now, if I switch on my low poly, it's not matching with this, right? So,
Yes, sir.
so what I have to do is, now like this can be baked directly on this surface, but suppose it's like way too huge difference. Like in Rachit's file, you have that omega sign on shoulder, which is like prominently visible in the silhouette. You can see the model. So that is something you have to create. So what I'll do is I'll select this model, my low poly, and then I will add multi-cut, and I'll add cut in my model. Basically have to like add those parts. This is for detailing. This is what I'm showing is detailing. For detailing, you can match it like enter, and okay, and hide this one, hide. Delete. Extrude and match with the surface. Like this, you can add, and then you can just like fix this thing and match all the corners.
Sir, if we can fix the like differences like this, then we don't need to do the retopo.
Yeah, like retopo means retopo, like why we do retopo is to optimize the model, right? To you remember when I showed you the like backside, I was remodeled it. I showed with this z mod, this thing, what do you call it, quadro, like we remodeled
Quadro.
that thing, right?
quadro
So, yeah,
Yes, sir.
so if you have a huge difference in your model, that's the way, that is the like a way to recreate it, your low poly, high poly, sorry, low poly. So if you have a huge difference, then you retopo the model. If you don't have a huge difference, you just like, oh, okay, like one more thing. Like this is one way you create this thing. Another way. Now suppose this is my high poly, and I just duplicate control D this, and one model. What I'll do is I'll add supporting loops for high poly. Okay, and for this also I'll add high poly. And one more thing for center also, connect like this. So I created this entire thing loop and scale. So everything, all the edges are now I'm holding it, right? And then what I'll do, select my high poly and smooth it, maybe 2 division, like from ZBrush. Suppose from ZBrush I got this model. So now I can see my angles are not matching, right? So in this
Yes,
case,
sir.
so what I'll do in this case, what I'll do, I'll select my edges and bevel them slightly. Oh, slight is too much. 0.05 or maybe 0.03 or no, one. Yeah. So I bevel it slightly. Now you can see this in between. This one is my high poly and this one is my low poly. So like this, I'll match it. Match it with
Okay,
this
sir.
surface. Or maybe suppose you have a circular surface like those joints, right? For those a spherical shape and select this. Delete. I can extrude and collapse. So this is, suppose this is my low poly model. This is my low poly model, and then I have, this is my low poly model, but it's pretty dense. So let's just give me a second. I'll just optimize it, reduce it. Like when we blocked it, it was pretty low poly. Everything we kept really low. So this is like really low poly. So I'll just keep it like half of this thing, from blocking to delete. So this was my blocking. Now I import my high poly. I'll just duplicate this. And if I press 3, so you can see if I press 3, it becomes really soft. So I need to make it add some supporting loops to this thing. Here, here, here. I'll add the supporting loops and then press 3. So I can see, oh, something missing here. Oh, that one. Yeah. Yeah. So now this is my clean, nice, smooth high poly. If I unhide my low poly, now I can see clearly there is a shape change. Like this is way too high poly and this is way too smooth. So in this case, what I'll do is I have to make sure this matches with my high poly. So I click on this and I can see there is a surface volume difference. Either I have to fix the high poly or I have to fix the low poly, any one of them. Reduce it a little bit, and this is fine, but still I can see it's like really low poly. It will bake, but all the round shape will create problem. So what I'll do, for this surface, I'll add again a low poly. This is not a rule, like it just and you can use any process. only thing rule is low poly, high poly, volume should match. There's no other rule. This thing, selected this thing, and I just simply added a smooth to this entire thing. Now, if I unhide my high poly, and now I see slightly become, now you can see it almost matching. I have this edgy little bit, but it still looks nicely smooth circular shape. Now, what I have to do is all these unwanted loops, which is not required, I'll optimize it, delete those sections, not serving any purpose. This is fine. So I'll keep this, and then the center part, if I want, I can collapse this also and reduce all these stripe polygons. So now my high poly and low poly, can see almost matching. There is a polygon difference, but still they're matching. Like shape, volume wise, volume you have to match. Like it's clear? No, not
सर
clear.
बट
हाँ,
जो मॉडल पे उसमें ओमेगा काफी लाइक वॉल्यूम है, लीफ
तो
भी है, विंग्स भी है.
हाँ, तो फिर वो मॉडल, फिर वो देखो, अगर लाइक इट्स, इफ इट्स अ लिटिल बिट थिकनेस, लाइक मे बी सपोज 1 centimeter thickness, you can bake it. But if you have like 1 inch and 1.5 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch thickness, then you have to create that part. Okay, okay, I'll just show this thing with this low and high. So, okay, basically what is your confusion is, in your model you have, okay, I'll open the bake only. Bake wala will be nice because everything is splitted already. Let's see. Um, yeah. Okay, so now here you can see high poly, you have this nut bolt, but in low poly you don't have it, right? This is your concern.
Yes.
So it baked, right?
Yes.
Easily,
Yes.
without any problem. So it will bake anyways. But now suppose you want, like you want this shape in your high poly, low poly also, you have to create it. Like what you have to do is sorry. So add those shape in your model. Alt edge, vertex to face, and I can connect. Okay, select it, alt and scale it. I can see placement by, it's not this the center perfectly. Now it's almost there. Delete. So now you have to create this part, but this part doesn't exist in your low poly. Because it's like way too thick. So now I want to create this thing in my low poly as well.
सर अपन प्रॉपर शेप लेके भी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं ना, इफ
हाँ,
अटैच नहीं है तो.
हाँ, कर सकते हैं, कोई इशू नहीं, कैन मेक इट सेपरेट, वो भी चलेगा, कोई इशू नहीं है. अब मेरा now I have the same shape in low poly also. So in your case, suppose you have a huge difference in your surface, high poly and low poly, you have to model it. Like you have to create it. If it's not smooth enough, make it smooth. If it's like way too smooth, reduce it. Like overall model, wherever you are using whatever polygons should be justified. It should make sense, like why you have polygons there, unwanted polygons. Because if you can do it like here, if you see in my model, like this surface, this one, high poly, I have all this bevel corner and everything, but in low poly, it's a solid shape. There is no smoothing, there is no bevel, nothing, because it's a hard shape, right? If I want, I can definitely bevel it, right? I can definitely bevel it, but it worked, right? So if those things like you, so I don't need in between loops. I don't need all this like smoothing and for this surface. I can create it very easily directly. So those things you have to like understand and create. Like if only thing is like when you create this, after creating, when you keep your low poly and high poly, it should match. Select a high poly and see all the volume, all the surface, you can see it matching. That is the main thing. So if this surface, like yesterday I showed this thing, if suppose this section, sorry, why it's not selecting this? Like if you suppose selecting this one, this area, and it the volume, like initially the volume, the model we opened, it was really low poly, right? So we just smoothed it, add few polygons and make it round, and then it started matching with the this thing surface. So volume wise matching is very important. If it doesn't match, it won't bake properly. Like कुछ और तरीके से समझा, how is it clear or should I explain it again?
सर एक बार मेरे मॉडल पे प्लीज थोड़ा सा।
बट तुम्हारे मॉडल पे क्यों दिखा रहा है मेरे को? दिस इज व्हाई आई नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड। लाइक पहले फर्स्ट डे से तुम्हारा यही है कि मेरे मॉडल पे दिखाओ,
नहीं
क्यों?
लाइक थोड़ा
लाइक क्या कंफ्यूजन है? तो तुम्हें जो प्रोसेस
सर
बताया,
उसमें नहीं
तुमने
सर
अपने
वो
मॉडल पर
उसमें एक
ट्राई किया क्या तुमने?
सर सर नहीं वो रफ नहीं है। एक ऑब्जेक्ट थोड़ा स्टमक पार्ट का पोर्शन निकला हुआ है उसका
हाँ
जीब्रश में जो बनाया है वो
हाँ,
उसको कैसे करना है इसलिए वो पूछा।
एक सेकंड, मैं फाइल मैंने डाउनलोड कर लिया है, एक सेकंड। तुमने, क्योंकि थिंग इज व्हाट आई एम रियलाइजिंग कि तुम ट्राई ही नहीं कर रहे अपने एंड से। तुम्हें जो बता रहा हूँ उतना ही कर रहे हो, दैट इज अ प्रॉब्लम। तुम अपने एंड से जब तक ट्राई नहीं करोगे, तुम्हें कभी भी क्लियर नहीं होगा वो,
यस सर।
राइट? वो चीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, अपने एंड से ट्राई करना, अपने से सॉल्यूशन निकालना, अदरवाइज इट विल बिकम वेरी प्रॉब्लमेटिक। दिखाता हूँ करके, कोई इशू नहीं है उसका। लेकिन देखो, तो इशू मतलब प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मैं तुम्हें 10 बार पूछूंगा, मैं एक्सप्लेन करूंगा, आई एक्सप्लेन एवरीथिंग, आई शो इट, इट्स फाइन। बट थिंग इज कि इट शुड नॉट बी लाइक बिकम लाइक ए स्पून फीडिंग। यू हैव टू ट्राई इट फ्रॉम योर साइड, वो बहुत जरूरी है, अदरवाइज समझना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा। जैसे अगर सपोज यू हैविंग इश्यूज, हैव यू ट्राइड क्रिएटिंग अ लो पॉली और ट्राइड क्रिएटिंग अ रीटोप और समथिंग? दैट्स माय कंसर्न, लाइक दैट्स व्हाट आई एम आस्किंग। लाइक क्या ट्राई किया कि क्या, लाइक कैसे मैच नहीं हो रहा है? if there is a box, if you create a box in low poly, like how it's not going to match? So chest में which area, tell me?
सर वो स्टमक है जो बेल्ट के ऊपर वाला पोर्शन। हाँ
ये वाला,
सर वो
ये
सर वो पीछे वाला।
ये वाला।
हाँ यस सर।
So it just a shape, circular shape like
सर लाइक
this.
नो नो सर वो एक उसमें एक लाइक स्ट्राइप बनाया है हुआ है
तो,
मैंने
तो वो
वो
तो बेक
स्टमक।
हो जा, वो तो बेक हो जाएगा ना।
ओके
ओके, वन सेक, वन
तो
सेक।
क्रिएट करने की जरूरत नहीं।
नहीं नहीं, क्रिएट कर सकते हो, वन सेक, वन सेक, मैं तुम्हारा डाउट समझ गया हूँ, बस एक मिनट। सो लो, अच्छा इस कंबाइंड कंप्लीटली, पूरा कंबाइन करके तुमने मेरे को मॉडल दिया है। ओके ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम। शिफ्ट एफ, लेट मी चेक। Okay, ये वाला part, right? Control Shift, isolate this one, this section, right? This is what your concern की ये कैसे बनाएंगे, ठीक है? So देखो, there are two ways. Either you can create this shape in your low poly, or you can keep it flat also. It will bake anyways, because in high poly you have the information. Okay, let's see. I'll go to I'll just delete rest of the part. I'll just keep this thing only. So now I have only and only this section, and I'll export this. So this is your this thing, and import your low poly.
सर इस पे हाई पॉली भी था, दोनों
अच्छा, उसमें हाई पॉली भी है. ओके, I'll
हाँ,
delete this. Delete this one. Okay. तो अभी हमने लो पॉली में ये बनाया. So what you have to do is delete, 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 delete everything. Not required, not required. ठीक. Now you have to match the volume. Add a loop. So if you create it like this will bake without any problem. But this is like low poly version. But if you want to make it detailed, like suppose you want to create a detailed model of it, so in that case I will delete this one and keep this thing and make it a live geometry. Like suppose I want to have this crease, this grooves in my low poly. There are like there are two types of modeling. One first is low, like extremely low poly. Now what I'm doing is it's mid poly modeling. So low poly without any detail, just the volume match. And mid poly, I'll go to quad draw and I'll select quad draw. Now I need to create this surface. So first I'll start with this only. Like this. No, second one. And there is like if there is like a gap, if you want, you can create flat surface also, or you can just simply continue to create that groove. Align it nicely. After that, then you can extend this surface and make it straight. Okay, and then oh, I missed one cut here. So इसमें this can like if this technique, so both the techniques, like one you just match the volume, in one you create the shape. So this works for everywhere, like any irrespective of the volume, shape, or anything, like where like it can be for this chest part, can be your shoulder, can be your head helmet, can be your cloth part, everything. It works for everything. Process is same. If I'm creating a mid poly, so I have to add this detail. If I'm creating a low poly, I don't have to add this detail.
Yes.
Only thing is I just have to match the volume. So it can be like, you can see like initially I created that, I deleted in between all the loops and match the volume. That's it. And if I bake it, I'll get the detail very easily without any problem. If I create it like this, I'll get the volume anyways, because my shape, with all the shape and information is already there in my model, it will bake easily and it will create the shape.
Yes.
ठीक है, अभी क्लियर है?
यस सर, तो अभी पूरा अपन को बॉडी कंप्लीट करना है ना उसका?
अगर तुमको मिड पॉली बनाना है इस तरीके से, देन तुम्हें क्या बोलते हैं, काफी कुछ इसमें रीटोपो करना पड़ेगा. अगर तुम्हें मिड पॉली बनाना है, देन यू हैव टू रीटोपो द मॉडल. अगर तुमको क्या बोलते हैं लो पॉली वजह से, एंड नॉट नेसेसरी तुमको सब कुछ ऐसा ही करना है. व्हाट यू कैन डू इज जो पार्ट विजिबल नहीं है, जैसे ये वाले पार्ट इतना इतना ज्यादा विजिबल नहीं है, उसमें इतना डिटेल ऐड करने का रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. जैसे तुम्हारा लो पॉली, देखते लो पॉली का अलग फोल्डर नहीं है.
सर है
है.
लाइक
अच्छा, ओके.
लेयर
लेयर में दोनों में से दोनों एक भी लेयर में नहीं है.
सर नीचे वाला लो पॉली था.
था, बट वो तुमने डिलीट सब डिवाइड कुछ किया होगा, तो इसीलिए अभी वो मेश का पार्ट नहीं है अभी. सो कोई बात नहीं, वो होता है. सो नाउ जो इन बिटवीन एरियाज है, जो पार्ट्स है, तुम्हें बस वो वाले क्या बोलते हैं फिल कर देने हैं. If you want to add ये वाले volume in your loop poly, then you have to add one loop here, one loop in the center, one loop here. So then create this cut like this angles, or you can create a cylindrical shape and bake this thing directly.
यस सर.
Right? So दोनों में से कुछ भी कर सकते हो. And then you have this surface. Suppose this surface, suppose you say this, we can bake it directly into low poly without any problem. But if you, this is, I'm giving you option, choice, like you can do it, it's your call. If you want to do create in a high poly, then you have to retopo. If you don't have like this thing plus this thing, we can bake it directly. Is surface play, it will bake auto without any issue, without any problem. Then तुम्हारा अभी जैसे यहाँ पे I can see clearly this part, and what is this? So this is your high poly, right? Where is the low poly? I can't see there is
सर
low
मैंने
poly.
लेयर में ही रखा था एक्चुअली.
लेयर में कुछ नहीं है, दोनों लेयर एम्प्टी है.
सर फर्स्ट लेयर को सिलेक्ट करके न्यू लेयर क्रिएट किया था, एंड उसके बाद एक और लेयर क्रिएट करके एक्सपोर्ट किया था ZBrush की फाइल.
नहीं, लेयर करके एक्सपोर्ट करने से कुछ नहीं होता, उसको ऐड. Suppose you want to add something like this is your high poly, right? If you want to add this to high poly, select that model, right click on the high poly layer, right click, add selected objects. अब ये इसका पार्ट है.